Why do microscopes hold such a pivotal role in diagnostic laboratories? This might be a question that has crossed your mind. There's no denying the fact that these powerful tools have revolutionized the world of medicine and have become indispensable in diagnostic laboratories. The first microscope to be introduced was the light or optical microscope, invented in the 16th century. This traditional device magnifies images using visible light and a system of lenses, allowing us to see intricate details of samples. In a diagnostic laboratory, it's used for routine examinations of tissue, cell cultures, and fluid samples. Following the light microscope, the compound microscope made its debut. This advancement, which came about in the 17th century, features two sets of lenses for greater magnification, the objective lens and the eyepiece. This type of microscope has been a game changer in the field of histopathology, enabling the detailed examination of thin slices of tissue to identify diseases. In the 20th century, the electron microscope was introduced, which uses a beam of electrons instead of light to magnify the sample. This microscope, with its superior resolution and greater magnification power, has opened doors to the world of virology. It allows the visualization of viruses and the intricate structures of cells, providing a deeper understanding of disease processes at a molecular level. The most recent addition to the family of microscopes used in diagnostic laboratories is the fluorescence microscope. This specialized microscope uses fluorescence and phosphorescence instead of reflection and absorption to study properties of organic or inorganic substances. This has been instrumental in the detection of specific proteins, DNA sequences, or other biomolecules in a sample, thus aiding in the diagnosis of various conditions, including cancers and genetic disorders. In conclusion, microscopes have come a long way since their inception. From the humble light microscope to the advanced fluorescence microscope, each of these tools plays a critical role in diagnostic laboratories. They allow scientists and medical professionals to delve deep into the microscopic world, unraveling the mysteries of diseases and providing vital clues for diagnosis and treatment. Microscopes, in essence, are the eyes of the diagnostic laboratory. They shed light on the unseen, enabling us to understand, diagnose, and ultimately combat diseases. So the next time you ponder the importance of a microscope, remember that these aren't just instruments, they're gateways to a world unseen, the microscopic world that holds the secrets to our health and well-being.